Hi everybody, welcome to Greg's Workshop. I'm making a short video today. I'm making these. They're made for the guard for my air compressor. I decided to make these instead. I've started to. I've still got a bit of cutting down to do, they're a bit oversized. I've got to go back and remark them to the right thickness. Still got to come down a fair bit. That's these things. That black thing, is that going to be that? So I hope it's all right. That's the guides that hold the cover on, safety cover. And that's what I've started making. I've got I'm beat. I go back in the hospital one day this week, I don't know when. I've already got one in here. I've got to go through and cut them down a bit more, they're a bit thick. As I just showed you, I've got to measure and mark them and scribe them and put them down to that level and cut them right level with the top of the vise. Sorry I didn't push the record button while I was making these. It's taken me 2 hours to make that far, 4 of them. I had to cut them off. I got a piece of half inch. Once I machine these, I might just use the fucking grinder and cut the grooves in. They're only straight grooves right through. So far down into the top of it. Or a 3mm or a 5mm. I've got a 5mm end mill here. This 5mm fits in here perfect. So. Once I machine it down, I should be able to get that end mill to go through in one pass. I hope. This is the first time I've ever made anything like this. So tomorrow I'll remember to turn on the I've got to get the big hand mill out to do the chopping. I put it away, so I've got to get it out and set it back up. Oh, sorry. I'm just running on fumes at the moment. I still haven't learnt whether I've got to have bypass surgery or re-stint my heart. I probably won't know until tomorrow. So I'm going to upload this bit of a short video. I'm trying to do what I can. No, it's just late in the afternoon. I was out this morning. It's well after 3 o'clock. I don't come out here after 3. From 3 o'clock onwards. Kids are coming home from school. And they have a bit of a wind session about the that'd be cool, it's still working. Cool, the pump's not working. I'll have to pull it out and have a look. Bloody thing. Shouldn't be frozen. We'll clean out, I think. I put the wrong coolant in it. I should have put water coolant in it. Was working last time I used it. Oh well. Anyhow, this is just a short video to let you know what's going on and what I'm making. I'm going to try my best to do another full video in the next few days. Well, it depends when I go in the hospital. Ticks me off. Anyhow, if you like what I'm doing, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment. No, I said I got a long way to go, and all right, lady. I'll see you all later. Bye.